I'm slipping in the mud. There he goes. Whoa! Oh! Holy shit! I thought he was gonna die, bro. Skelter? What does that even mean? What is even that?
What the hell is even that?
For anybody wondering, this is a closed motorcycle road. Whee! Bro, what the fuck?
Oh my goodness.
That's a really long fall.
So what?
That's a really far fall. I reached my limit, Paul.
No, you got it, bro.
I'm not doing that.
Not the brake.
You want to do it for me? I don't even want to walk down that, bro. Huh? You're not doing it? Are you going down?
I don't think so.
I think Paul's gonna come do mine for me. I'm not. I don't even want to go down that on foot, dude. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you see, it's not bad. Literally, it's not bad at all. I don't know what you're freaking out about. We're literally going slower than you're walking.
Now I feel like an idiot. Oh, there's a train. Whoa!
I think your buddy could go down there.
That shit's like 90 pounds. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh. Thanks, buddy. Oh! What is that? Is that like a jack or something? Yeah! Oh!
Yeah, all right. It's pretty good. No longer helps you get easy obstacle. Get the all right or do it yourself.
It doesn't work anymore. This is wild. Oh! Dude! Woo! It's a ramp. Oh, look at that.
I hit your handlebars, they good?
Huh?
I said I hit your handlebars a little bit.
Did you? I think they're good. Oh, sorry. Oh, my clutch broke off. My clutch broke off. I don't know where the bolt went. Damn.
Somebody have those zip ties? Reese, yeah, zip ties?
I found the bolt.
Ain't no way.
My clutch lever's broken though. Like the bolts, they're stripped at the end. That's how I bought it. And so like
get it going. We'll get it going, and then you start it up in neutral, get it going, push it in gear, and you gotta turn wide and explore it. Go all the way back there, start it in neutral, and then once you get it moving, or get that working gear again.
I don't know if I'm gonna. Damn, bro. I don't trust this.
No, once you're in gear, bro, just swing wide and go.
No. I don't trust it. I feel like it's gonna fall off.
1, 2, 3.
No.
Brother, this thing has an engine. It has a whole motor.
I'm slipping in the mud.
I can't push it last. Hey, bottom.
We'll just stop and get zip ties. I'll just zip tie it on there. It'll be fine. I'll just zip tie both sides. No, you're good. I can ride it. I just gotta be careful with it. Tragic, bro. My clutch lever is gonna fall off. Look at that. The bolts are rattling loose as we speak. A picture? Yeah. Loose clutch lever while I'm riding is a crazy feeling. Oh, my other zip tie broke too. Oh, standing on the scooter. That's wild, bro. I always thought that it looked funny whenever people stand on their two backpacks like that. I don't think bro's ever gonna put that down. It almost seems like he was born in a wheelie. Yeah, I'm holding it. I think bro spent more time on one wheel than two. Or is she actually? Oh, she's on the phone. I thought she was just plugging her ears. I'm like, it is not that loud. It's weird to see him finally on two tires.
Good?
Yeah, she's still on there. I had a couple of zip ties break too.
Hopefully we're heading back.
I think he said we're going to AutoZone or something.
Said what?
I think he said we're going to AutoZone. We'll see. It's so weird having to hold on to my clutch so it doesn't fall off my bike. That'd be tragic if my clutch fell off on the road. Oh. Oh. It still does the circle wheelie. works. That was an accident.
What's doing?
It's on there, but you know, I'm gonna go see if they have zip ties. Yeah. Well, guys, if you like the video, man, shoot the video a thumbs up. Really helps. If you don't like the video, I guess just drop a middle finger or something in the comments. Just tell me that I'm terrible. Other than that, man, peace out. Appreciate you for watching.